Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today let's see an article from Hindu newspaper. That article is related about this. Now we are going to see on foreign funds and NGOs. Recently, MHA, that is Ministry of Home Affairs, have suspended the 13 non-governmental organization NGOs licenses. 13, okay, 13 NGOs licenses are suspended because of under the FCRA Act. FCRA Act. Now, what is this act? Is Foreign Contribution Regulation Act of 2010. Now, this act is the Amendment Act of 1976 for Foreign Contributions Regulation Act. For this 1976 Act, this 2010 Act is an amendment. Now, this year of 13 non-governmental organization licenses are suspended from this FCRA Act 2010. Now, what is this FCRA Act? Okay, let's see what is this FCRA Act and how it works. Okay, first, now FCRA Act regulates foreign donations and ensures that such contributions do not adversely affect internal security. Means, see, some NGOs will get foreign funds from the foreign organization. These NGOs get for millions the NGOs get funds for NGOs from the foreigner organization. Now, under this FCRA Act, if the funds taken will have a harm, if it harms the internal security of the nation, of the state, then the license of that NGO will be cancelled. Okay, under this FCRA Act, it will be cancelled. Now, this FCRA Act will be applicable to anyone, any organization, any NGOs. Okay, any NGOs. In 2015, for this 2015 MHA, that is Ministry of Home Affairs, it released the new rules, that is NGOs to give an undertaking that the acceptance of foreign funds is not likely to prejudicially affect the sovereignty and integrity of India or impact friendly relations with any foreign state and does not disrupt communal harmony. Means, from this FCRA Act, the NGOs, the funds released from the foreigner organization will be given to NGOs should not harm the sovereignty and integrity of India. Should not harm the sovereignty and integrity of India, and it should be in the way that it should not disrupt the communal harmony. It should not have any harm to the communal for the people's harmony. Okay. Now, who cannot receive foreign donations? Yes, this is the main thing here. Who cannot receive foreign donations and who can receive foreign donations? Now, members of the legislature and political parties. Yes, legislative parties and government officials, and then judges, media persons are prohibited, means should not get any foreign funds. Okay, in 2017, under MHA have under finance bill route amended the 1976 repealed FCRA law, paving the way for political parties. Yes, in 2017, MHA told that political parties can receive the foreign funds. Why this is happened? Because in BJP and Congress, National Congress, are getting continuous foreign funds from 2000 to 2004 to 2012. So and a person have a petition in the Delhi High Court that in 2013 against these parties for violating the FCRA Act. This given, and then after 2017 this case is taken back, and that is why this under 2017 orders of MHA, the political parties also can get foreign funds. Okay, funds, okay, from the foreign organization, but it should not be against of FCRA norms. It should follow the FCRA norms, and then after it can take the foreigners funds. Okay, now how foreign funding should be done. Okay, how foreign funding should be done. First, they should take the prior permission of the government. Okay, first, for taking the fund from the foreigners, it should have the prior permission from the government of India, because if it harms the sovereignty and integrity, the permission will not be granted by the government of India. If not, it can. Now, under societies, and it should not be now it is granted for receipt a specific amount. Now how much the foreigners are giving, it should be a receipt, and the government of India will check that receipt. But the association should be registered under statutes, means statutes such as the Societies Registration Act 1860, the Indian Trust Act 1882, or Section 25 of the Companies Act 1956. Now in the 2017, MHA suspended the FCRA for an organization which is a famous organization. Okay, let's see it. Now see here. In 2017, MHA has suspended the FCRA of a Public Health Foundation of India, PHFY in 2017. Very important, because which is this PHFY is one of the India's largest public health advocacy group. Okay, on grounds of using foreign funds to lobby with parliamentarians. Yes, with legislatives, with the parliamentarians, this PHFY have lobbied with the parliament and used on tobacco control. Now here the thing is, it should not be with parliamentarians. It should, if it want to do, it should do with alone, but it did with the parliamentarians, which is a very which is not permitted under the foreign this FCRA Act. Now for doing in this way, after several representations by the PHY and after some discussions, it is placed under the prior permission category, and it is given again. Now when is a registration suspended or cancelled? Now see, first of all, registration should be for foreign funding. For funds taking from the foreigners, it should have separate registration. Now if under FCRA that registration, the permission is not granted, the permission is taken away, then what happens is it will not be eligible for registration or grant of prior permission for 3 years, and from the date of cancellation, means it can't be placed under the prior permission category, and it will not be eligible for registration from the date of cancellation up to 3 years. Okay, then have there been suspensions in the past? Yes, many are there. From the 2011, from the year of 2011, there are nearly 21,000 nearly approximately 21,000 cancellations have been done, and up to the September 11th, means day before yesterday, up to this September 11th, there are 49,000 permissions, registrations are taken, and FCRA registered associations are there as on September 11th. Now what about international donors? Yes, if the permission is not granted, then the international donors will be kept under the prior permission category. Now some of them are International Ford Fund, US based Compassion International, Ford Foundation, World Movement for Democracy are the some. And this is about the FCRA Act and the main things which we should learn from the FCRA Act. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.